Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group, and this is weekly recap number 67. We got some good ones this week. This is gold to begin the week. This is something that I sent to the team as we were getting ready to trade live, and we have a beautiful consolidation. We do have some movements above the zone that could be questionable as to where to place the zone, but again, experience has taught me that those are fake outs, especially if you go to the high time frame. And so we are concentrating on what's going on inside between the zones. These are the results. We have a breakout, retest, and a beautiful drop. 410 points for 41 pips. Breakout with retest, zero drawdown. Beautiful, beautiful retest, perfect retest, and drop. And of course, again, this is not something you hold for very long, especially when you have spikes like this to the left that may become a problem. It bounced from there, and I think it came back inside after giving again, that's 41 pippers. All right, going to the next day. Oh, actually, this was the same day. We also had GBP, JPY. Also, the nice consolidation to the bottom. We had an issue with this one because this one had already broken out. It broke down from the bottom, broke out from the top, and we were just basically having to either catch it at the supply or wait for it at the zone when it came back. And these are the results. Price created resistance. And once it created resistance and came back, I told them I'm no longer interested. Again, we're doing this live. No longer interested here in the buy, guys. I'm looking for sales. We caught the sell to the downside. Told them also be sure to take profit there at the golden zone at the 61.8 because it's likely to bounce from there. It sure enough bounced, but then it rejected at the top zone again and dropped for a whole lot more pips, but we'll just count these 30 pips right here. Okay, let's go to the next day. The next day we have gold, beautiful consolidation also here in the middle, just waiting for some definitive move on gold. This is what happened. Gold broke out and it did not retest. So again, we're counting this today because again, this is something that I did live with the team. And we did not have a retest on this one, but we caught the breakout. We caught this breakout. We were doing this live and it was beautiful. Okay, next day, or still the same day. Same day, GPJPY, we have nice consolidation again, getting ready for a breakout. Looks like it's about to break out, and that's exactly what it did. Broke out, tiny little retest. That was this. You have to be quick with this one. This is the kind of situation here. You got to kind of anticipate what's going to happen, given this cross right here. After first attempt at breakout, then the pullback, you kind of have to anticipate that this is not going to break out to be able to catch that retest if you are going to do so for 27 pips, zero drawdown on that one. And then we have GPJPY then on 25th. Again, it had dropped, it had created a supply area, created a nice, not a nice consolidation. This is actually a bearish flag the way I see it. I'm not sure if the bearish flag did complete, but this is a bearish flag right here. Let's see what happened. Oh, look at that. Sure enough, bearish flag broke the trend line, retested the trend line. This is the one that was really scary. I was in on this right here when I put in that massive lot size that would have been a real problem had it not just gone ahead and dropped right away. And had I held it again, because I'm thinking it's going to keep going down, it would have taken me out at a major, major loss. So I took profit right here on this drop. And then eventually it broke out, came back to New York and retested. This was 72, 73 pips on the original drop. And then the retest was about 40. We're only counting the 40 this time. All right. Then this is a gorgeous consolidation on GBP USD. I thought this would be a beautiful, beautiful winner. This was a dud. You know, I was very disappointed with the results on this one because this is beautiful. This is the kind of thing I like to see. This is what I prepare for. This is what I look for. This is my favorite setup right here. And yet, this is what I gave. Basically, 15 pips. And this is the retest. The initial drop went a whole lot more than the 15 pips, but I'm usually looking for the retest. Unless I'm trading live with the team and giving them instruction on what to do, then I'm constantly looking for the retest because that, again, is what we have taught them to do. And this one only gave 15 pips. Technically, this is a break even, but I'm going to call this NL, okay, because this was very disappointing. So I'm going to call that NL on this one. And then the 27th, we have nice consolidation on GBP JPY. We have a breakout. We have a retest. We have a drop for 24 pips. I'm not counting the beautiful bounce from demand. The team also knows what to do here in demand. And this was a beautiful, beautiful bounce on demand. It bounced from here and just kept going up. but just basically, we're just going to count this breakout, retest, and drop, which is nice. And then the last trade of the week, this is gold. Gold was consolidation, beautiful consolidation. This is a nice setup. Another one of my favorites. This looks really good on gold, and this is what we got. We got a breakout, we got a retest, and we have a jump for 78 or 780 points, which equates to 78 pips with a 5 pip drawdown. If I remember correctly, the numbers are 252 pip gain with 13 pip, only 13 pip drawdown all week. We only had 8 setups. One was a loser, one was a break even, 6 were winners for a 75% winning rate for the week and a positive net gain of 5%, which basically means if all you did was take our setups and all you did was do a 1-to-1, you would have gained 5% this week. That's it for this week, guys, and I hope that you found this instructive. Again, if you're looking for a community of traders who are invested into each other, helping each other win, you should look into joining us at Team Take Profits. And if you are on the Spanish side, at the Rivera Trading Group, que estamos aquí para servirles. Bendiciones. Chao.